Factories never stop running, yet many critical decisions are not made in time. Data keeps accumulating but is never connected, causing issues to go unnoticed. 3View delivers data-driven solutions that reduce downtime, accelerate response times, and support stable production. With 30 years of expertise, 3View is turning data into a competitive advantage. Factories must go beyond simply operating. They must be managed smartly. 3View. Factories need to go beyond simple data collection and become data-driven. Three-view sensors detect operating conditions and abnormal signals in real time, turning invisible factory floor activity into actionable data. The data generated on-site is connected to MachineView, enabling faster decision-making on the factory floor. MachineView detects abnormalities quickly and prevents shutdowns before they happen. Scattered data is connected within the data lake. Connected data goes beyond analysis, leading to faster and more accurate decision-making. Once data collected on the factory floor connects to cloud services, it becomes a new value that transforms operations. Machine365.ai analyzes production, equipment, and energy data to gain a comprehensive understanding of factory operations. AI predicts abnormalities and losses before they occur and delivers instant alerts. It reduces downtime, minimizes waste, and improves efficiency. FactoryView is a subscription-based MES designed for rapid deployment, integrating production, logistics, and inventory into a single workflow. This enables greater factory agility, shorter delivery timelines, and optimized inventory levels. Eco365.ai connects companies, partners, and certification bodies on a single platform. Simplifying complex ESG and CBAM management, this enables shorter certification preparation times, faster responses to regulatory changes, and stronger global competitiveness. All 3View services are connected through a single cloud platform. From smartphones and tablets to computers, you can monitor and manage factory operations from anywhere. Even away from the factory floor, critical decision-making and responses never stop. Every factory environment is different. Since every site has its own needs and priorities, your system must be able to scale flexibly, when needed, and as much as needed. 3View solutions begin where you need them today and evolve step by step as your business grows. Technology that understands the field creates real change. It connects fragmented data and transforms factory visibility into responsive operations. Start small and scale flexibly as your needs evolve. Today's choice becomes tomorrow's competitive edge. Proven expertise, connected technology, sustainable future. Together with 3View, create a new standard for manufacturing. 3View.